Kahit nakaranas ng pambubuli, pinaalahanan daw ng kanyang mga magulang ang bagong Miss Universe Philippines na si Chelsea Manalo na huwag mawala ng tiwala sa sarili. Ang kanyang kwento sa report ni Aubrey Carampel.
Our Miss Universe Philippines 2024 is Bulacan!
Miss Bulacan Chelsea Manalo is the new Miss Universe Philippines. Mula sa runway walk hanggang sa question and answer portion, angat ang beauty, wit, and personality ni Chelsea. Tinanong siya kung paano niya magagamit ang pagiging beautiful and confident niya to empower others.
As a woman of color, I've always faced challenges in my life. I was told that beauty has a standard, actually. But for me, I have listened to always believe in my mother, to always believe in yourself, uphold the values that you have in yourself. Because of these, I am already influencing a lot of women who are facing me right now as a transformational woman. I have here 52 other delegates with me who have helped me to become the woman I am.
Half American si Chelsea. Pumanaw na raw ang kanyang biological dad at lumaki na siya sa kanyang stepfather. Advocate for indigenous people rin si Chelsea at hindi rin siya exempted sa mga pangbubuli.
We all go through challenges, we all go through that phase. You know, I didn't have that standard of beauty when it comes to beauty pageants. You know, I didn't have that color, that hair, but I told myself, and my parents have always told me to believe in yourself. There's a story for you to tell, and this is me right now.
Besting other 52 candidates, si Chelsea ang magiging pambato ng Pilipinas sa Miss Universe pageant sa Mexico. Aubrey Carampel, nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.
Huwag magpahuli sa mga balitang dapat ninyong malaman. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube. Sa mga kapuso abroad, subaybayan nyo kami sa GMA Pinoy TV at sa www.gmanews.tv.